Yo. Check. It's your boy Ahmed Vidic, songwriter. This one's for the people, for the land. Somalia, Somali, Bale. From the north to the south, coast to coast, one people, one heart, that's what we boast. Lines on maps, they try to play, but Somalia stands, we won't give way. Foreign powers trying to plot and scheme, talk of bases wars, breaking our dreams. But we got history deep in our veins, our land, our rules, we break no chains.
Through storm, through drought, through every test, Somalia stays strong, we're the best.
Somalia, Somali, Bale, Somali wamidan, kaldan kale maramain. Dulke duna wamir, we legit ganyan.
One country, one people, one destiny. Somalia stands whole, proud and free. One destiny, Somalia stays strong, we're the best.
Somalia, Somali, Bale, Somali wamidan, kaldan maramain. Dulke duna wamir, we legit ganyan. One country, one people, one destiny. Somalia stands whole, proud and free. Geopolitics knock, trying to divide. Dreams of war they wanted to hide, but the world condemned what they had done. Refused to interfere, refused to run. No proxy wars, no foreign plans. Somalia stays free in Somali hands. We rise, we fight, but with peace in mind. Our soil, our home, forever aligned.
We choose dignity, we choose our name. Not fuel for flames, not part of your game. Somalia, Somali, Bale, hear it loud. We stand together, strong and proud.
Somalia, Somali, Bale, Somali wamadan, midan kala maramain. Dulke duna wamid, wali jatanayan.
One country, one people, one destiny. Somalia stands whole, proud and free. One destiny, Somalia stands whole, proud, proud, proud.
I'm a Vidic on the mic, spreading the word, Somalia's voice, loud and heard. Keep the land united, keep it free. Somalia, Somali, Bale, that's the key. I'm a Vidic on the mic, spreading the word, Somalia's voice, loud and heard. Keep the land united, keep it free. Somalia, Somali, Bale.